Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. How about we go for an adventure and check out this lake a mile and a half away? Nice little day use only area. No camping. Gates here close at 8 p.m. Probably some vault toilets. It's a roundabout here, one way. And there's part of the lake. Let's go take a look. Some tables here. No swimming, but fishing allowed. As you can see down there. Again, it ends right there, but goes around. So let's take a little walk. Not a bad sized lake. More people fishing. Oh, felt a few sprinkles. Out of the blue this morning, it did rain. Beautiful. A little swing. As you can see on the water, it is definitely starting to sprinkle a bit. So this was a fun adventure, about a mile and a half from camp. So, ooh, nice Ramada over there. Gonna head back to the car. And that probably ends the lake adventure for the day. Well, I was gonna go explore the campgrounds, but they got the gates closed for the various loops. There would be the campground host. Let's go take a look at the boat ramp, shall we? There's the boat ramp. We were just on that other side. And right by the boat ramp, there's a little pavilion. It's kind of cool. From the boat ramp, there was a path that had lights along it. Like it could be lit up. Mama and her babies. Get in a little closer. That's about it. There they go. And thus ends our little adventure for the day. And I'll leave you with a little ninja checking out the forest. She hears that woodpecker right about there on the right side of that tree. Or does she? Yeah. Well, I was going to have a fire tonight, but now that it's been sprinkling constantly, although Ninja's still outside, I think I'm just going to heat up a can of soup, some steak and potatoes, something like that, and rest inside and call it a lazy evening. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe if you like this video to get alerts anytime I post a new one. Go out there, be positive. Be nice and be active.